Hi, this is Frank. He's French-Canadian. He's been off-roading for the last 15 to 20 years. He builds his own stuff all the time. He's trying to build a lightweight EV Rockcrawler with 40-inch tires, a Nissan Leaf motor and batteries. So let's see what he's been up to recently.
Today, I'm not really happy. One of my friends passed by yesterday and looked at my cage and everything. Told me almost everything is fine. Only thing he didn't like is the shape over there of the cage. Told me I should bring it down a little bit. Although it was part of my first thinking, but I did it. I wanted this to be the high point and this to be lower. When I did the cage, it did not come along great because I was thinking that the seats would be much higher in the buggy that they finally are. Because I really tried to put them the lower as I can, and I succeed to it. So now I have a lot of space over my head that I don't really need. So when my friend came yesterday, told me, oh, I could move this, that, and this. So I was thinking, what? It's a lot of work. It's not gonna fit well and everything. And after it was gone, I looked at it again and again and again and find out that if I cut there, if I cut there, I cut the welding over there, all this could move, re-weld it in place, and it would look much better. So now I have to do that. So see you later. Okay, now you can see I've cut over there, mess with this, but re-weld it almost where it was, and I've took some bender and tie downs and bring the back down a little bit to accentuate this angle. So now the windshield is maybe an inch or inch and a quarter lower, so there's less angle here near forward backward on the top. I want it to be a bit more to the front, but this angle that does not allow it, and this angle too, and I cannot change the angle since there's some bar in it, and I cannot put them on the tube bender anymore. I could have cut and re-weld it by prying it, but I don't like to have angles. I prefer a round curve than an angles. Now I'm going to continue with the cage. I have to do a bar over there somewhere to strengthen this part. I also have some stuff to do in the front to install the winch and to do the hood. So continue to look at the video, and you'll see me do this stuff. And see you later. Bye.
Frank used the ice created by his old General Motors Frigidaire refrigerator from the 50s to cool down the parts that are in contact with the Teflon to help prevent it from melting as much as possible while he's welding around it.
Okay, as you can see, I have some doors now. Both sides are mostly done. I have a little bit of finishing to do, but it's working. I've done a little bit of reinforcement on this side too. Did not do the other side yet. The door is very simple. It's a tube over a tube with some plastic between it, so it's not doing any noise and not ticking or nothing, because when you're doing off-road, there's a lot of bumps and rocks and everything that's gonna make the bike move, and I don't want to hear a little like this, so that's why I've done it that way. I'm gonna put a lock on it so it's keeping close, and after that I'm gonna finish the outside. You'll see eventually. But that's it for today. See you later. Please share, subscribe, and like. Bye.